Hey, what's up everyone? It's Duncan from Overland Journals. Today's video, I thought I will share a few photography tips with you. Johnny and I are photographers. That's our livelihood, and we've been doing it for many years. And every time we travel, we try and take pictures with a bit of our own creative touch to it. And when we get back, we use them for printing, displaying it on our website, social media, and also keeping them as keepsakes for us. So I thought it'd be a pretty good idea to try and share some of these tips with you, and hopefully it'll be useful to you. Welcome back everyone. If you are new to our channel, please hit that subscription button and the notification bell. Our channel is all about sharing our experiences in overlanding with the rest of the community, and we try and bring out a video every single week. Well, in this video, photography tips, we are at beautiful Lincoln Bay National Park. Well, kind of outside Lincoln Bay, but you still get these beautiful cliff edges that spans all across. And I want to take a picture where I emphasize the rough coastline with a bit of an artistic touch. Now, this is a rough coastline. A lot of shipwrecks have happened over the years purely because of the roughness. And I want to try and bring that in. So one way to do it is to do what's known as a slow shutter shot. Now, what I mean by that is you drop your shutter speed as low as you possibly can. If you are using a tripod, you can go extremely low, or if you're using handheld like I am about to do, then go as low as your steady hands can handle. And then of course you've got to get your focusing and picture sharp enough, so you've got to work with your aperture depending on the amount of lighting that's available. But the slow shutterness, what it does is it gives that silky smoothness to the waves as they crash against the rocks, and that silky smoothness and the slow shutter will create that dramatic effect and causing that motion as well. So I'm going to take a couple of shots and let's see how it goes. Alright, that came out pretty much as I imagined it. So I'm pretty pleased with that. We've been asked a few times by friends as well as a few subscribers on the channel whether we would be doing any photography course, which we haven't really given much thought to, but we would like to if there's enough interest. So if you are interested in a photography course on how to do your travel photography and try and do it a bit different to how everybody else does it, well, leave them in the comments below and we'll try and put a little course together. Thanks for watching everyone, and by the way, if you haven't hit that subscription button, hit it now.